Yo guys, welcome back to Pokemon India Official. We are back with another video guys, and it's a first ever face cam video as you guys told in the comment section below guys. So what we gonna do today, I will be showing you the full Hiranandani Powai where I started my Pokemon Go channel and it was like 0 subscribers and nothing, and from here I just gained like 500 subscribers all because of you guys. So what we gonna do today is we are out because whole Hiranandani is been covered with the lights to the 31st of December, that's why. So what we now gonna do is like we will celebrate the new year with you guys. So let's get into the video, and there will be like the introduction part of my face cam, and you will find more stuffs into the camera, but it will be behind the camera. And let's see what we can get over here in the rare stuffs and what we can encounter, and I will tell you each and every part of the Hiranandani today in the video guys. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video guys. We just came into the garden over here, you can see, and we got a Christmas Pikachu over here guys. So let's just check out this place over here, like how beautiful this place is. I know the camera quality is very bad, but I don't think so that the lights are very like tempted over here guys, so it's okay with it. So let me show you the whole garden over here guys, and then I will let you know. This is the garden, and yes guys, this is the garden, and you can see it's whole over here in the Pokemon Go, which contains like 2 Pokestops inside it. The name of the garden is right over here guys. It's like heritage garden, yes, and there are like 2 Pokestops, and in which the bunch of Pokemon spawns are over here guys. Here you can see in near to this Pokestops near to this Pokestops. So let's go over there and let's find what we can get over here. As you can see the garden, and here is the Pokestop, and guys you can see the spawns near over here is like 2 Christmas Pikachu right in front of the gate. So let's catch it and let's come, and you can see the road which is like in front of that garden is fully awesome guys. Like what we call a circle over here, but here's a Bulbasaur right standing over here. So let's catch this Bulbasaur, and you can see that from here we have to go right over there. The full place is lighted and everything over here, it's like awesome. Over here also the lightings are there guys. So let's catch this Bulbasaur and let's go ahead. So guys, we just reached over here. You can see this Pokestop is like in front of back of us. Sorry guys, it's a crystal house over here, and the whole thing has been like decorated, and I will be showing you each and every Pokestop over here. And here this Pokestop is like this pillar which has been decorated guys. So let's go, and it's like Hiranandani Business Park Monument. So let's go ahead, and there is, you can see it's a Golbat flying over here. Let's see the CP of this Golbat like guys. And oh, it's 1300, so I don't think I should need it because the Golbat is shitty, but for the candies also. But I have like 1000 candies of Zubat. So let's move ahead, and I will be going each and every part of the Hiranandani garden guys. So let's go to this side of the road. There you can see cool stuff over there also guys. So let's go to that part guys. The main Hiranandani guys, and over here you can see the Pokestop over here. It's like Powai Galleria Square. So just take this, let's take this. Even my bag is full. There is no Pokemon shit over here, but I don't think so. And I don't think so what this stuff is going on over here, like it's saying so they are recording something or not. So this is the main thing, and over this is the Hiranandani pillar. So here are we. So let's go to this straight road and let's come back and let's see what we can get. Let's go to that fountain, guys, near there. And even there is like one Poke Stop inside that fountain, guys. So let's go. Guys, we are over here at the fountain, as I told you, and here you can see there's like one Poke Stop which is inside Galleria. So I don't think so. We should go over there, guys, and you can see each and every part, guys. So don't sit at home, come over here and let's play Pokemon Go, guys. So guys, you can see this part of the statue, like it's a gym over here. You can see in the Pokemon Go, the lands. This is the part where the gym is situated, and this is the whole stuff over here, guys. That's it, guys. Here is the like Growlithe and Pikachu. So that's it, guys. This will be the end of the video, guys. So let's catch this Growlithe. And it was very like hard for me for doing the face cam video and everything, because you know we need a confidence for all this stuff, guys. So I have done like a small part of the face cam, but I have shown you each and every part of the Hiranandani, guys. So if you are coming over here, you can come and play, and you can go like each and every part of the Hiranandani, and you can enjoy a very good New Year over here, guys. So that's it. And guys, one more thing, like from the spawns of the new starter Pokemon I started, and you can now get the starter Pokemons and their whole evolution families there in the wild, guys. It will be easy for you. So let's go out and let's catch each and every type of Pokemon and starter Pokemon, guys, and let's see. And this is the best lane, like this garden is the very best thing on the Hiranandani to play Pokemon Go. And I was going to put a lure module, but it was like already too late for me, guys. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed, guys, and please hit that like button if you like the Hiranandani and if you like my face cam video, guys, and give me a support to do like more face cam video, and I will be doing like a vlogging once I will get the confidence right into the video, guys. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, and peace, guys. See ya.